Hi, first graders. Welcome to our Wednesday lesson for reading skills. I'm Miss Berry. I'm so glad that you're here with me. So today we are going to be still exploring website text features, and we're going to be going on another scavenger hunt of a new website. Before we do that though, I wanted to show you a real life website and show you how some of these features really work when you click things. So today I want to show you our DCS discovery page and see if we can see which text features we'll find on there. So I'm going to share my screen with you so we can see DCS. When we first go to our DCS web page, we're going to see this screen here, which we call our home page. On our home page, we see a lot of different categories up at the top. These are tabs. Each tab has a drop-down menu. Here's our menu that can bring us to a new place. So for example, when I'm looking at this electronic menu, maybe I want to go to COVID-19 because I know that that's something that's really big right now and it's the reason why we're not at school. So when I go to COVID-19, I see school closing, resources, instruction, distance learning. Each of these in the menu are something that I can click to get to another web page. I'm going to go to resources and see what things I can find that are available for us right now. So when I go to the page, it opened up resources and it tells me that we can still get meals if we need them and where to find them. And I see that down here it says helping families cope with COVID-19. Click the link below. And when I click on, or when I put my finger over that, it turns blue. That is a way to show a hyperlink. Any text that changes color when I put my finger over it means that I can click it. It's a hyperlink. So I can click that and it brings me to some interesting information. I want to go back to the DCS website and see what else I can find. So we've said we have tabs, we have menus, we have hyperlinks. I'm wondering if I can find any icons. Let's check through our page. Scrolling, scrolling. A lot of times icons are at either the top or the bottom of the website. Oh, and look at this. Down at the bottom, I have a bird for Twitter. I have Google. I have Facebook. There are so many different icons down here that I could click if I wanted to get to different parts of the discovery site. How cool. So even our Discovery Charter School has a website that uses these text features. And we need to know about these text features to understand how to find information on here. How awesome! I'm so excited to be able to explore that. So today, let's jump right into our learning and take a look at the new website we're going to be looking at. The website today that we're exploring is for Sydney Public Library. So it's a library and they have all of their books listed on there and the authors that write those books and different programs that the library offers. They have a lot of information that they needed to organize so that a viewer like us could be able to find the information quickly and easily. So let's take a look at our text feature, or I'm sorry, our target for today. I can use text features on a website to answer questions. You're going to read with me, mirror with words. I can use text features on websites to answer questions. Beautiful. So what that means is we're going to explore the Sydney Public Library website together. We're going to look at the text features, and then in Google Classroom, you're going to answer questions. Let's get started. Here is Sydney Public Library. And just like yesterday, we're going to look and see what text features we can find on this page. The text features we are learning about are tabs, hyperlinks, menus, icons, and text box. So let's start up at the top. Please point to where the tabs are. If you're looking at those boxes across the top, you would be correct. These are tabs. Tabs are at the top of the page and they help us move between different web pages about the library that we might want to see. Can you find any hyperlinks? I see 7. Let's start circling them. 1, 2, 3, and then there's 4, 5, 6, 7 down here. Those are hyperlinks. They're a link that I can click that will bring me to a new page. This person that created the website happened to put a link for each author. The authors are hyperlinks because when I click the author's name, I'll be able to find other books that that author has also written. So if they've written more than one book, I can find all of them when I click the hyperlink. Can you find any menus? Point to the menu. Remember, a menu is a list of options that we might select to find other parts of the website. Great job. This up top is the menu. And there will be lots of menus. If I click any of these tabs, a menu may come down. This menu is actually 2 parts. So on the first part of the menu, I see bestsellers, new books, children, teen, and multimedia. This person happened to already pick children, and that's why there's an arrow. And these are the different types that I could pick. I could pick classic books, favorites, or new. When I look at this heading, I know that the person already went into the classic children book. Pretty cool. Do you see any icons? Remember, icons can be normally at the top or bottom of a page. Great, I see icons down here that bring me to the homepage, email, Facebook, and Instagram. The last thing I'm looking to see is if we have any text boxes. Do you see a text box on this page? I see one right here that tells me the hours that the library is open. So it tells me when I can go to the library. Awesome. So let's clear those annotations so they're out of our way. And let's see if we can go on a quick scavenger hunt. So I'm wondering if I can work at this library. I want to get a job after school working at a library because I think it would be fun to be able to help kids find books that are interesting to them. Where could I find out if I can get a job here? Down here at the bottom, I see a hyperlink that says volunteer and job opportunities. So if I want to be able to work here, I need to go to this hyperlink to see. Great. Now, what if I wanted to learn more about this library? I want to learn about them and maybe how they got started, when they opened. Where can I go to find that information? Perfect. At the top, this tab says About Us. I would click this tab to learn more about the Sydney Public Library. Great job. Now, what if I want to find books that are new? I've been reading a lot of books lately and I'm looking for something that I haven't seen yet, something that might be new. When I go to this tab and go to books, I will need to look at this menu. Where on the menu can I find new books? Right here. This menu helps me to find new books to the library. Great job. So my friends, today you're going to be exploring the Sydney Public Library's website a little bit more on your own, and you're going to be using the information that you learn to help you answer some questions. I'm going to show you what Google Classroom assignment looks like today so that you are ready. So first, this is the public library website, and our annotations are already on there. So remember, if you're having a really hard time answering a problem or a question, you can look at the crayon to find out what color the annotation is that will help you answer this. So say I get down to number 4 and it says, which text feature could you use to get information about programs the library offers? And I'm looking all over this page and I'm like, what are they talking about? Programs? I have no idea. I can't find them. I see volunteering, but I don't see programs. I'm going to go back to number 4 and I'm going to look at the crayon. The crayon is green. So now I know to look for the green annotation. Orange, blue, purple, red, green. This annotation is green and I realize that it's around a tab that says programs. So I must need to use that tab to find out more information about programs. So I would look up here and say, oh, the programs tab on the menu. That's what I need to use. So now I'm going to use my circle and I'm going to circle that. Great job. So remember, we can move these circles to answer questions and we can also type in text box. So you're going to need to do 2 pages of questions using the Sydney Public Library website to help you. Go ahead and get started right away, my friends. I'm so proud of you. I know you're going to do a great job. But if you have any questions, you can join me at office hours on Thursday and I will help you out. So tomorrow from 12 o'clock till 2 o'clock, I have office hours on Zoom. You can pop on and say, Miss Barry, I'm having a lot of trouble with this. Can you help me? And I can help you with whatever you're having difficulty with. Okay, but go ahead and get started right away. You can always view my lesson again and see if that helps you first and see what you can get done today. Get started right away. Have a wonderful day. Bye, first graders.